Hello, everybody. Andrea Torowska here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So if you are new to Epicure, you are probably wondering, well, what's the first thing I should do? So I am still fairly new myself, but I'm not a stranger to these companies. So I used to sell makeup, which I still do a little bit, but the more that I look into these companies where you make a commission on things that you sell, it just makes the most sense for me to sell something where I could use it literally every day, where I could easily order things for myself every, 3 months or so. And Epicure just makes the most sense because you have to eat. I like to eat healthy, and you probably do too. So your seasonings that you use will eventually run out. So you have to order more. If you were to make a cheesecake using one of our packages, I believe it comes in package of 3, that will eventually wear out and you have to buy more. Plus, being with the company, you get a discount. So it just makes sense. And when I cook for friends, when I cook for family, they all want to know how I made something, and then they want to use the same products. So I sell to them and make money. So you guys, it is easy. In fact, I should be getting my kit in a week, so I don't even have that yet. I am super excited about it. But the first thing that I did was I made a page on Facebook. You have to do this. So even if you don't have your kit yet, do not hesitate to make a page and start talking about it. In fact, I did hold an online event yesterday where I've already gotten 4 orders so far, and I don't even have my kit yet. So how awesome is that? So all you do is I created a group. You could create a page if you want. It's just I find if you create a group that allows for more interaction. So if anybody wants to order, they can always post saying that they want to order. If they have questions, so I find with the group, it's just easier and it just allows for more interaction. Since I did have an event yesterday, I did post a lot. Like I probably posted once every hour and then every 2 hours in the evening. But what I did was I would ask questions. So as an example, I don't know if you guys can even see this, but I did ask a question. I said to my Epicure lovers, take a photo of your own Epicure products at home, and one of you will win a prize. You have 1 or 50 products. Let's see them. So see you guys. So, and then they would all comment, see, and show me all of the products that they have, which is awesome. So I like to ask questions so that people don't think that in there I'm only trying to sell them something. I do like to ask questions. I did post about a cheesecake idea. So as you guys can see here, so instead of making the whole thing, you can make a package and put them in what am I trying to say? A muffin pan instead. So you do not have to eat all of them right away. You can eat 1, maybe 2, put on some of the coconut icing or just whatever you want, and then eat it that way. Or put them in either the fridge or freezer to enjoy at another time. So I'm not only selling things, but I am sort of sharing all of the different ideas too. Plus, let me see here. I had done another prize too, where I was making chicken, see, and I showed exactly how I did it and the products that I used. Another picture of cake, of course, right? Because we all love cake. And I just I just post about things, So I do post some of the products. I post how to do things. I post the ingredients list. I post a sale or 2. But I'm trying to find the recipes that I posted because I did post a lot of those. Oh, look at this, you guys. How yummy does that look? So I am hoping they see this and then go, oh my God, I need to make that now, And then hopefully they will purchase some of the products so that they're able to make it. So You should be doing this soon. Do not wait until you have a kit. If you have any questions, you guys, please let me know. If you're thinking about being a part of the team, also let me know, because I am here to help. I am here to answer any questions. And you know, this should be exciting, okay? This should be exciting. Like, I'm excited to get my kit so I can start cooking and just making some amazing things. So thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon.